This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block all cookies on the Safari web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now. To block all cookies for the Safari web browser, first thing you want to do is go into the device's settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll to the bottom down to where it says Apps and tap on Apps. Now from here you want to find Safari. These are in alphabetical order, so you have to scroll down to the S's. Right here is Safari. I'm going to tap on Safari. Then once again you want to scroll down to the very bottom. Down to where you see it says Advanced and tap on Advanced. And right here, block all cookies. By default, this is probably toggled off like you see mine is, but you could tap on the toggle. It asks you, are you sure you want to block all cookies? You would again tap on Block All. That is how you block all cookies for the Safari web browser. Thanks for watching.